Hi friends, so this is a last second video idea. I am going home for Thanksgiving break and I feel like I'm gonna do some things that are gonna be considered a winter glow up. So I was like, why not film a video about it? And first things first, I just changed out my contacts. I had an eye appointment yesterday, so I made an appointment and went to the eye doctor, got new contacts. I've been wearing these contacts for 2 to 3 months. I just changed them out for the first time this morning and it was so nice to have contacts that don't have rips in them. So big plus so far. Winter glow up starting strong. Secondly, I'm super congested and sick, so hopefully by the end of this video I am healthy and not dying of sinus problems. Third part of this video, I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning this monstrosity. I washed all my clothes already and my sheets, and now I just have to deep clean before I leave for break and then pack tonight. So that is the first part of my winter glow up. I'm getting my hair cut this week. I have a lot of things planned, hopefully. So watch me hopefully have my winter glow up. TJ Maxx haul, what'd you get?
I got popcorn. I don't know why I decided to get this at TJ Maxx, but...
And almonds.
Oh, one fell out. Two fell out. And they're both gonna go in the mouth.
I got these. One's for her, one's for me. A few of these are for her, a few of these are for me. I got a makeup brush washing pad. Yeah. Another face shaver. I guess we're just hairy. Is basically takeaway. And a running shirt. That's it.
I am wearing the same outfit I was wearing yesterday, so back to Hadley.
And time to clean. I get so many comments on my videos about how I should be an ASMR. Well, no, they don't say that. About how I have a really soothing voice. So let's see if ASMR is my true calling. My whispering voice is so bad because I'm sick. Dermaplaning. Definition. Oh, definition. So, dermaplaning is a minimally invasive cosmetic procedure for your skin. It shaves away the uppermost layer of your skin, can reduce the appearance of acne scars or other skin imperfections by revealing new undamaged skin. Was I supposed to wash my face before? Oops. You see that hair? Okay, see all that hair? That is all for right now. Next part of the winter glow up is hair. I am about to go get my hair done. This is what it looks like. It's actually like wet a little bit still, but it's long. I'm still gonna keep this length, but I'm hoping to get some curtain bangs, and I don't know, if I'm feeling crazy, maybe just bangs. Like, if you can see, this much of my hair is not highlighted. Like, it's grown this much since my last appointment. So when you see me next, it'll all be blonde. Ta-da! So I got curtain bangs, as you can see. My hair is very blonde again. I'm gonna take it down so you guys can see it. I only got like a little bit taken off, but I'm blonde again. I really like it. I'm not like 100% used to it yet, so I'm still trying to get used to it, but this is my hair in a bun, just to show you guys. I'm about to go to the gym. It's kind of in my face, but I'm gonna learn how to style it better. It is still Thanksgiving night. I styled my hair today for the first time. It looked better earlier. This is after a nap and everything. But I am going to do some self-care. I'm running a bath right now. I'm also gonna do a face mask, take my makeup off, and it's just gonna be a good time. So this is part of the glow up. Now I'm just gonna take off my makeup and do a face mask.
Ryan Little.
Today is a little bit different at the gym because I'm home and I don't have a gym membership. I just go to the gym on campus, so I don't want to pay for a gym membership while I'm home. So I used to play basketball in high school and we had a weight room in the gym. So my aunt is actually one of the coaches. She is giving me access to the weight room so I don't have to pay $10 every time I go to the gym. I'm gonna go do some legs to finish out this vlog. Also, I'm not a pro at this stuff, so if I'm doing something wrong, you can tell me, but I probably will because I am just a beginner, so. There's no leg press in here, which is fine, but that's the only thing I would usually do in a different gym, but they don't have it here. That's okay. I'm just thankful that I have a gym. So, gotta move on with the workout. That is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I kind of made this over a long period of time, so sorry it's a little messy, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I have a lot of videos to edit. I'm gonna sit down over break and edit them all and post them because I want to get back to like updated content and more content now that I know how to manage this time that I have. So thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I just love you guys so much. So I will see you guys in my next video. I do plan to make a week of workouts, hopefully in this gym, because nobody's here and it'll be easier for me to record. So let me know if you guys are interested in that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.